Welcome to Reorganize, your go to show for exploring the vibrant world of UP Cebu student organizations. Get inspired by real stories of passion and purpose, from the spotlight of performing arts to the strategy behind sports and everything in between. Whether you're looking for your next interest or just curious about what drives these dynamic orgs, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, only here on Reorganize.
What is up mga eskolar ng bayan? Happy first Wednesday of March! This is ZJ Mika.
Together with DJ Sai, and you're listening to Reorganize.
Your go-to program about everything related to UP Cebu's organizations and student groups. This is our first broadcast this semester, no? DJ Sai, throwback sa tagamay sa mga ganap sa previous weeks.
Right? So, our first semester as college students started with unang hunat unang kiat. So it was a whole week that our seniors welcomed us to UP and university life. So DJ Mika, so how was your experience sa Uhuk man last August?
My experience during sa Uhok was very nerve-wracking at first. First time na to as freshies, but eventually, I got to be so excited to find out nga, ay wow, ganito pala sa UPC. Maraming ganap, and there's really so much to look forward to in our stay here. How about you, DJ Sai?
So for me naman DJ Mika, no, like I really wasn't able to fully experience Uhuk because I am a late enrollee. So, I was only able to experience lang the culmination event na sa by PAH. But overall, it was nice. So, nakita ba nimo ang
show for
UP
exploring
Sugbo
the
there?
vibrant world of
Yes,
UP Cebu
dito
student
ko na ko ana. Oh, there's a radio, ano
inspired
di
by
ay,
news stories
org
of
here in
passion
UP
and
Cebu.
purpose
So, it
from the
really
spotlight
piqued
of
my
performing
interest.
arts
That's
to the
why
strategy
nandito
behind
tayo
sports
ngayon
and
for
everything in
DYUP.
between.
Right?
Whether
Like
you're looking
Uhuk
for
is a
your
bridge
next
kid for
interest or just
freshmen
curious
to
about what drives
delve
these
themselves
dynamic
into
orgs,
UP's
you're in the
culture,
right
right?
place.
Like, tungod anang
Stay
hawig
tuned,
is
only here on Reorganize.
But it's nervous. Siguro paano ng event na sa mga freshmen na mag-overthink. Mga friends baka ako diri or ako baka ma-insert myself in this community, right?
That's right, DJ Sai. Then, after ang mga first kanang baby steps from Uhok, we got to move forward to the 1081 exhibit, which was spearheaded by the communicators of UP. So that exhibit really it really pushed me na to the UP spirit. Like, ganito talaga dito. Because we really got to experience what it's like to be here in UPC, and the events as well would really live up to the values of what it's like to be an eskolar ng bayan. So, ano yung memories from 1081 exhibits ay?
Actually, my greatest memory during that time is like the reopen ko ang mind gani when with what happened during the martial law, like the sufferings of our fellow people during those times. I wasn't that easy period na like walang ginaingon na golden age kay wala dili ko na siya masasahan because it was also that time gani nga yung nakakatawa situation here in the Philippines, like we suffered the economic recession, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Grabe talaga ang aming SOM student.
Like with that commemoration created by Pop Up, like mas ato ang i-commemorate again na dapat hindi mawala sa
that UP really had to do it in a very creative way, like through the arts, through the exhibits. We were reminded of what happened in the past, and we are reminded as well to never forget.
Exactly, because like you cannot present something mo good. Like for example, ako sa kata of dili siya historically inclined, di ba? Like you cannot let them open their eyes with just so like do it in a creative way. And
That's
that's
true.
the difference sa Escolar ng Bayan. Like we do things continuously in a creative as well as in an
Yes,
like
educational way.
education.
Yeah. So, 1081, so, ano pa ba yung na-miss nating events that happened last year?
Actually, there's more po on that, but sadly, like very unfortunate event happened. Like we had an earthquake, J Bagyo, flooding. So it has been an unfortunate period with for Cebu to experience it. So, but again, mas na-reignite ang spirit ng bayanihan and our resistance against the incompetence of our government. But we did that also through the Pasko sa youth. So, napaka-ana, DJ Mika, sa
Yes,
Pasko sa youth.
naadyo ko ato DJ Sai. I really got to experience the performances during that time. So it was my first time actually attending, and it was really wow. Christmas is here, and it was the time for us to kanang commemorate bitaw what happened. To really to culminate as one community who got to rise from from all those calamities, and we got to commune as one, and we got to celebrate as Christmas was upcoming na during that time.
Exactly, like we were able to utilize Christmas as a way also to wish or to hope for a better country through our endless calls. Like the performances, as you've said, na di lang siya basta-basta lang na nananayaw, but we incorporated our calls every na, but sadly, wala pa nga po na dumugid content na, right?
Yes, that's true, Sai. And if I may add, yung tree natin actually during the Christmas lighting was made up of the rubble that was produced from the earthquake, from the
Yes.
Bagyo. So it really reminds us. It really reminds us of everything that we've been through, and we got to celebrate that, and we got to commemorate the struggles, but at the same time, have that motivation to look forward towards the future. To be reminded na may pag-asa pa din sa kabila ng lahat.
Exactly, the spirit, no? So like 2025 has been very chaotic at the same time insightful. But what about 2026? Now, speaking of chaotic, nakakita ba ka og mga students nga dressed up like not the conventional way of dressing up like sa atong society right now?
Yes, DJ Sai, kita dyan ko mga naglakaw-lakaw. For me, hindi yun ako malimtan si a character from Harry Potter, si Dobby. Nakakita ako naglakaw-lakaw siya. And that was during the Mindworks, during the Fine Arts Student Organization Week. So, unsay mong ma-remember ato na parade, Sai?
Actually, wala ko naka-attend sa parade, but what I've seen sa ilahang week is that ilaging napagawa silang creativity from their paintings gani there sa sidewalk to their artworks na gipang install as well sa Mayhoya as well as sa ilahang lab dapit. And of course the crazy week, like nakitaan gid nako ang mga unique nga outfits sa ato ang mga fellow eskolar ng bayan, and that showcases that we're not just creatives because sa ilaha pong outfit is naapoy mga na-incorporate again mga social calls, diba? Like very diverse na diri sa atong community that we incorporate many things as well as of course not neglecting creativity nga mao gina-highlight sa Mindworks 40 celebration.
That event, creativity, and really the call to action as the scholars ng bayan really came as one. And di ko talaga makakalimutan yung boots, Sai. Parang
Exactly.
nabudol talaga ako kasi there were so many options, art choices, and we really got to see how good they are in their own craft.
Yes, exactly na like na ating mga keychain, but if I'm not mistaken, like may mga anik-aniks ng imuhang mabay, and siguro that's the spirit as well of art. We can use that for our livelihood, diba? Kaya it wasn't just merely selling, but they were making livelihood out of their talent, and that's very
Approve
Yes.
talaga tayo dyan. So, grabe, from the creativity that was oozing during Mind nga ba yung sumunod?
Syempre, ang week ng mga matatalino, the MC week. So kami na ang nasunod guys sa MC week. So from Management Circle Week, it's an annual, same sa Fine Arts as well. But siguro this time is that we had competitions that more centered on like management or being an aspiring tycoons, diba? So nakakita ba kag mga post or like mga events pag MC week? DJ?
Yes, kita jud ko DJ Sai, and ang highlight for me kay ang nakadaog gid sa Mix Tycoon. Sino nga ba 'yon? None
Sino ba
other
yun?
than DJ Sai himself. So, congratulations pala DJ Sai for taking the win sa Mix Tycoon. How was that experience for you?
Well, thank you, DJ Mika. No? So it was actually a very rigorous experience because like it wasn't easy. It was the first time nga ni tapa ko sa stage as a candidate again after 7 years. And
7 years.
like nabay ito sa UP, so it's very competitive, like very different na siya nga pageant. So it was very stressful, but at the same time it was good because we were able to rally our cause, particularly in the industrial sector. Like we have calls for literacy, for small medium enterprises nga na neglect na ilang rights, for equality and safe spaces for women in the industry. We also have there for the athletes, fund the athletes. And then we also have there for the about the carbon market. That is actually a very pressing issue that we have in Cebu right now. So it wasn't just showcasing our wits, our talents, but also providing platforms for our calls po to be emphasized. And I think that's what's the best part of that MX Tycoon.
Wow, that's really impressive, no? Because even during the weeks where we get to commemorate and come together as one program, di pa rin nakakalimutan na tayo ay scholars ng bayan. So, the spirit of being an scholar ng bayan is really still there even though we're having fun, we're celebrating, di
Exactly.
talaga siya nawawala.
Right. So speaking of spirit, no, like this week, DJ Mika, we are celebrating the annual Asugbuhol, no, between in Central Visayas. Not annually but for this year, no. So stay tuned if Buenta mag-celebrate na po next og Asugbuhol. But let's focus on the present, DJ Mika, no. So what are the current happenings karon sa Asugbuhol?
So, for context pala, ASUG Bohol actually is an association of state universities in Bohol and Sugbo. So, we have 5 participating schools, DJ Sai. We have NAAP, BISU, UP, PNU, and CTU. So, these are universities from both Bohol and Cebu. And
Right.
we get to come together to compete actually for competitions that are regarding with the arts. So meron tayong dance performances, singing competitions, we have dramatic arts, visual arts, literary arts, and many more na aabangan natin. So as of today, meron naman tayong competitions that are currently ongoing for Asog Bohol. We had the dance competitions in which we were able to bag awards for that, DJ Sai.
Grabe talaga ang
Di nagpapatalo.
right?
So big congratulations to all our participants for the street dance, indigenous folk, and as well as the contemporary competitions.
Congratulations, no. So going back to Asugbuhol, it has a theme no of pagsaulog, pagpasinungog sa atong panublion, kultura ug mga bahandi or honoring our cultural heritage and treasure. So through this is ato ang mapa-emphasize ang richness sa ato ang kultura diri sa Central Visayas, right? Not sa other pa nga cultures. And yesterday they had the day zero or the opening parade wherein naapod naapod sila yung opening production for the Mr. and Miss Asugbuhol 2026. So stay tuned, no, mga kauban, because sa pagtamak sa unang adlaw, no, like dili lang sa karon sa mga umaabot na patay mga sayawan, literary kantahan of course ang Mr. and Miss Asugbuhol for this year's Asugbuhol 2020.
That's actually very exciting, DJ Sai. So, Scholars ng Bayan, let's show our full support to our contingents for these competitions during Asog Bohol, and let's wish them all the very best.
Exactly. So we're also celebrating right now. Unsa man di, unsa may mga week karon sa mga mag-coding.
Done ang fine arts, done na po ang management tycoons. I think it's the Comsci Week, DJ Sai. So ang ating mga techie na
Yes.
coders dyan.
Last, like, pagsulod pa lang nimo sa UP, hala, kinsa man ning naa sa mga tarpaulin. Hoy, mga candidates na they are from Comsci. Oh, grabe, no? Di lang sila maayo mo tech, but they're also very creative, right? But
That's true.
what's Comsci with the IDJ Mika? Like, it's here, no? Like, no? So, remembering Comsci Week, of course, no, we are celebrating here technological innovation and more. Because they actually have so many events, not just sports, not just literary or not just board games, but an innovative events, no? Such as the Inter-High Programming, the Innovation Cup, and the Tech Bites DJ Mika. So, na maka-idea about ani DJ Mika or as a freshie, bago pa lang ka na-expose ani and ganahan ka mo know about this mga events, DJ Mika?
Actually, for me, it's still super new. Pero I look forward sa mga ganap sa Comsci Week because makikita mo din na they're all wearing their houses, diba? Kaya
Yes.
separated sila. And it's actually so interesting na they're separated sila by house, but they're mixed pala from first to fourth year.
Right?
Very makakabond talaga yung juniors with their seniors and really get to form new connections within their program.
Yes, very diverse and inclusive, Jill. And speaking of inclusive, DJ Mika, although this is their week, but they're also including high school students, no, in their
Yes.
celebration through the Inter-High Programming, no, where this aims, no, to challenge these high school students on their programming skills as well as to educate them, because this is not just for UP Cebu High School students, but we also have from Benthel Asia School of Technology, Mandaue City Science National High School, St. Benedict Childhood Education Center, Maria Montessori International School, USJR, Cebu City National Science High School, UC Banilad, Sacred Heart Ateneo of Cebu, and San Carlos. So, very inclusive dyan ilang inter-high programming, DJ Mika. Like, of course, as college students, siguro mas daghan na silang knowledge and they are very generous to share these knowledge into the young and aspiring computer science students or ITs as well, right?
Yes, that's true. It's interesting how Comsci Week isn't just limited to the people within UP Cebu. We really opened our doors to see paano nga ba yung skills as well from the schools outside UP. And
Right.
it's a great way to get to form new connections outside of our campus as well, DJ Sai.
Exactly. But are you wondering if about that ng Comsci Week, DJ Mika? Well, stay tuned because naa pa more about Comsci Week.
That's true. So with all that experiences during university events and org life here in UP Cebu, how are you coping naman with or managing your time, DJ Sai?
Yes, exactly. Like, siguro ako na lang yung buhaton is trust yourself more than anything else. Ikaw, DJ Mika, what are your ways to manage everything in on your plate?
For me, it's just two things. First, knowing your priorities and knowing when to have fun as well. Di pwedeng lock in na lang lagi. Dapat
Exactly.
din mag-take a break, have a breather, and get to enjoy what it's like being here in UPC. Because marami talagang aabangan dito, DJ Sai.
Yes. So, speaking of aabangan, I'd like to know, DJ Mika, no? So, fill in the blanks, no? So, it feels
boy.
lang to be an escolar ng bayan.
For me right now, it feels exciting to be an escolar ng bayan. How about you, DJ Sai?
For me, it feels surreal to be an escolar ng bayan because it's full of surprises and you don't know if mauna ba ni or there's still more.
Yes,
Because,
you just never know here in UPC.
yes.
So, very exciting, surreal, and exciting talaga to be an escolar ng bayan. And there's so much more to look forward to. But that will be for when we come back, DJ Sai. And we will be talking about the upcoming events that UP Cebu has to offer for our fellow escolars. So, stay tuned as Reorganized will be coming back.
OMG! I just got a message. It says 50,000 peso prize? All I have to do is click this link.
Wow, 50,000 pesos? Totally not a scam.
Come on! What if it's real? I can finally pay off my debts.
Are you seriously going to submit all of those? Doesn't it look fishy that they're asking for personal details?
How are they going to send me my money without knowing these? Free money is free money.
Stop right there. Free money online? That's like winning the lottery, except you're actually losing. Think before you click. And don't forget, check the website first. Does it look official? Is the page credible? Spelling errors, weird links, and shady URLs are red flags. Stay smart, check first, and only click what's safe. Better safe than sorry, and better informed than fooled.
This is a friendly reminder from Reorganize. Stay connected, stay engaged, stay reorganized.
You're still listening to Reorganize only here at DYUP Sugbo.
Yeah, so DJ Mika, no? Earlier we talked about Comsci Week, about them including high school students, but isn't it good we would know that they're also including our society through their innovative cup, innovation cup rather. So this is a segment of their week wherein they are inviting teams, no, to create something that is related to the UN SDG goals. So, di ba grabe ka inclusive good sila nga week DJ Mika, because they're not just about the Comsci students, not just about the high school students, but also our community. So their teams are necessitated to build working prototypes that create real community impact, focusing on SDG goals, particularly on zero hunger, quality education, and sustainable cities and more.
I actually did not know that, DJ Sai, so it's nice to know that everything comes with the cause. Even our ComSci students really champion for things like our SDGs, but it's a week nila.
Exactly. They are maximizing anything that they could do, DJ Mika, no, to really expand their reach and utilize their talents to create an impact in our society.
Wow, that's true. So there's so much actually to look forward to during the ComSci week that's still currently ongoing. But aside from that, what else do we look forward to pa, DJ Sai, for this whole month of March?
Syempre, dili sad magpalupig, no, DJ Mika, ang ato ang Math, Stat, and Bio Week. So, as a bio student, DJ Mika, unsa man imuhang maingon, unsa imong ma-share, no, about sa kaninga upcoming weeks?
So for COS month, or the College of Science month, it will be for the whole month of March, DJ Sai. So starting off strong with ComSci week this week, das susundan yan ng Math week, to be followed by Biostat week. So actually, sabay yung celebration ng biology at stats. So there's really so much to look forward to, from quiz bowls to parang brain teaser na games, competitions. For biology, merong upcoming na Bio-Olympics. So meron ding mga quiz bowl, MX UPEX, mga cheer and yell, and the parade size. So really so much to look forward to during COS month.
Well, that's good to hear, no, DJ Mika, because like from being so stressed in ACADS to have an opportunity to unwind through that events. And surely, no, kana ang week is similar to other department is like ilahagya po incorporate atong mga calls, right? And to really spark a change in our society, DJ Mika. So, among those events, DJ Mika, na ba kay apilan or soon pa na to mahibawaan?
Actually, DJ Sai, for this year is cheerleader muna ako sa gilid dyan because as a freshie, I wanna take this year muna to let it all sink in sa akin kung anong mga nangyayari around me. So, di tulad mo, DJ Sai, na grabe, ni-step up na siya and he ended up winning as MX Tycoon. So, ibang fonts ng freshies pala tayo.
Yes, like testing the water, ako tasting the water.
Tasting the waters.
Munang happy na macho can you taste ang water. So, that's good no, DJ Mika, about the richness also sa Sciences Week, which is throughout the whole month of March. So, if mano ang March, DJ Mika, unsa kayo nasa April?
For April, DJ Sai, meron din tayong Come Up Week. That will be from April 13 to 17. So, ano nga ba yung mga iconic events na aabangan natin, DJ Sai, for that week?
Actually, daghan, DJ Mika, no? Like, if ang mga communicators kay iconic na by themselves, iconic pagid ilang event. So, naatay sambunot o drag show, no? Kaning, of course, drag show, familiar na daan ni. So, ikaw, DJ Mika, familiar ka sa isang bunot or first time pagka makabatian ng award?
Actually, it's also my first time to hear about that word. So, ano nga ba yung ganap sa Sambunot, DJ Sai?
Actually, correct me if I'm wrong, no, kay first time ko makabati sa sambunot. Though expose na ko ani last week. But I think sambunot is literal siya nga bunot of a coconut wherein transfer ba siya? Transfer ba siya ate from one station to another? So na competing teams ani, then dapat ilahang ma-defend and makuha ang bunot from the other team. So, but kapoy ba siya? So, mo nga, as mentioned kay i-dog show na lang daw ni sa mga participants ang sambunot. Kay literal na siya nga, magbunotay mo og bunot.
Wow, that's so interesting, DJ Sai. So, yun, mind you, mga ganap yun last year. So, what more pa kaya this year? Sure ako mas pasabog pa yung mga pasabog nila for us. So, I'm so excited actually to see what they're about to bring to the table for us this year.
Exactly. Surely, mas gipakusog pa na, mas gi-refine nila ang kanilang mga events. Because last year, na-shock sila what more karon, di ba?
That's true, DJ Sai.
So, watch out sa Come Up Week this April 13 to 17. Only here at Communicators of UP.
Wow.
So, DJ, no, sa mga upcoming events, but naapa ba kahay mas gikuwat sa mga tao, DJ Mika?
I think DJ Sai, after all that culmination that's gonna happen for the month of March, may isang bigatin na culmination na tayo na lahat ang magkakaisa, which is for the Eskolaro, DJ Sai.
Exactly. So, unsa din ng Eskolaro, DJ Mika? So, magduwa ba taani? But, I heard DJ Mika nga dili lang siya Eskolaro for this year. Naa siya kauban. But, dili na ni first time nga nahitabo. Unsa man ni DJ Mika yung kauban?
That's right, DJ Sai. For this year, hindi lang Eskolaro dahil after the week-long games and pakikipag-hidwaan sa isa't isa, it will all come to an end during our UP Cookout that will happen after the ganaps of Eskolaro.
Wow, that's very exciting cookout. Diba? For first-timers, unsa ka ng cookout? But right now, let's first talk about Eskolaro, DJ Mika. So, you're from what federation ka kagikan?
I'm actually from the College of Science, DJ Sai. How about ikaw? Ano nga yung taga-stan na college ka nga?
I'm from School of Management. So, kisa na daog last year, DJ Mika?
I think College of Science ata. Am I right?
I think fake news ka. Sakto bitaw ka, Golden Science ang reigning.
That's true.
Pero sure na ba mo, DJ Mika, nga magpadayon mo karon nga tuig?
Ay, are you threatening me?
Yes, because syempre,
You're threatening me?
I know. Because bisan og smallest ni DJ Mika, adong nami mo bangga sa biggest nga constituents diri sa UP Cebu.
Wow, hindi pala magpapatalo ang School of Management kasi I heard DJ Sai. Meron palang SOM and COS na fights for first place. So,
Wow.
versus pala tayo dito.
Yes, DJ Mika. And if I were you, mag-andam na mo. Kay last year pa lang, ready na mi.
If I were you po, DJ Sai, mag-andam na pod mo. Kay, dili man siguro mi mo sugot nga naay mo agaw sa among corona, di ba?
Well, so moapil ka sa pag-defend DJ Mika, no? So speaking of defend, so unsa man imo mga apilan DJ Mika para maka-contribute ka sa pag-defend? Kay kami willing na kumoapil para i-fight mo.
Ay, ready na ready si DJ Sai. Akong contribution sa pag-defend sa among title. Kaya ang akong grabe ka kuso, grabe ka energetic, grabe ka enthusiastic, alive, alert, awake na pag-cheer sa among mga players. Siyempre, need din ng players natin ng fuel and motivation para galingan talaga nila sa game. So, syempre, dili po ko magpapili, mag-cheer jud ko diha for the College of Science. So, mo jud na ako contribution, DJ Sai, balag behind the scenes lang, ganon. It's a very big impact to our players na meron silang backbone that really supports them. So, kung ako backbone, DJ Sai, anong ambag mo sa Escolaro?
Front bones.
Bone?
Actually, DJ Mika, karon nangita pa sa doon sa akong apilan because we have so much, no? We have here volleyball, we have basketball, we have football, we have larong Pinoy, we have board games, we have cosplay, we have Mr. and Mrs. Colaro. But I think now we have now digital games.
Yes,
Naatay
that's
Dota, naatay Valorant, MLBB. We also have sa nga game na basta mo to siya.
Pero, DJ Sai, sobra talaga ako na interested nito. Parang pang dito lang ako na level my qualifications sa Block Blast. Parang doon ako pwedeng may chance mag-defend ng title ng Escolaro namin sa COS.
Dapat lang DJ Mika. Kaya kung Black Plus ang pagstoryaan, nana ko'y bot nga up na. So,
Di talaga siya nagpapatalo.
yeah, so watch out because there's so much events in Escolaro. That's from March 23, right? To 27. But among all those fun, no? Like beyond those fun, DJ Mika is naapod tay most awaited event sa last day sa kanang week. Unsa ka ato DJ Mika?
That would be our UP Cookout, DJ Sai. So, it's really unfortunate na hindi siya natuloy last year. Pero
Ay.
everything happens for a reason talaga dahil ito yung magiging pasabog natin for Escolaro.
Yes, because this year is the the Escolaro and Cookout will be a one big event, no? For this year's
True.
theme, which is Pugat. So ato ang pangitaon, ato ang ni-emphasize again ang mga discrepancies nga naa sa ato ang gobyerno. And through this event, no, like from Monday to Friday, maglingaw-lingaw ta. But on the last day, ato ang balikon ang mga dili matarungan nga mga nangahitabo DJ Mika, no? So like unsa din ni siyang cookout? What's cookout in a nutshell, DJ Mika?
So, Cookout in a nutshell would occur every 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., supposedly every November. But for this year, it will happen during the intramurals week. So, we will have the intrams during weekdays and then the Cookout on Friday, which actually happened na before DJ Sai. It's the first Cookout post-pandemic, which was Siklab. So, we're bringing that back for this year. And aside from that, the Cookout is a protest action that started in the late 1970s, where students used to literally cook in the admin field, plus my bonfire to talk about political matters because they felt political nothingness. Students used to sing songs and perform poetry. So, marami talagang aabangan natin for Cookout, DJ Sai. So, ano nga ba yung aabangan natin?
Exactly, no? So to go back DJ Mika, so magluto ba ko ang mga tao diri or atong lutuon para ma-expose, no, ang dili ka maayos ato ang gobyerno, no? So ano kang gabi siya DJ Mika, no? So like imong like kunay you are excited pero di ka sugtan sa imong mama nganong gabi but nganong gabi siya. It's because before like di ba grabe kayo ang pang red tag pang silence no before sa during martial law and post martial law. So muna nga gabi siya to mask this no like nga dili siya makitaan sa public sa mga authority nga dili siya obvious nga we are talking about politics here because politics before is a very sensitive topic baya no like
That's
gamay istorya nimo wala na ka. So mo na nga through this cookout is ato ang matagal plataporma ang mga panawagan nga dili nato mabuhat in a broad daylight before no karon kay kusog na ato ang resistance and that's actually very great. But going back to your question unsa ditong makit-an dere, so we have different segments. We have sayawan, kantahan, we have rampahan, we also have poetries, bandahan, no? So, like, it's very rich. Again, diri na po na ito mapagawas ang creativities escolar ng bayan. At the same time, incorporating our calls because we are known to be multitaskers, DJ Mika. Are you
That's
excited
true,
ba?
DJ Sai. Super excited na talaga dahil even though we're all trying to have fun, maximizing our talents, sharing it with the UP community, di pa rin talaga nawawala ang diwa ng pagiging eskolar ng bayan. So, everything comes with a cost in what we do here in UP Cebu. So, pati yung mga performance natin, they will all be carrying a message that the masses need to hear, DJ Sai.
Exactly. And speaking of performance, DJ Mika, this year, the performances won't be a competition. So, it will be a performance ng siya. Like, we're just all performing for us to, para ato mapaawhag, atong ma-announce atong mga calls to the public. So, that's similar, no? To the pre-cookout nga setup, which is the Suwaw.
So that's really nice actually, DJ Sai, kay parang lesser pressure sa mga magjo-join ng competitions, but at the same time the pressure is still on dahil they have that message that they're trying to relay to the audiences, and they're also trying to make sure that they get to give it their all sa pag-perform nila during the many events we have for UP Cookout.
Exactly, DJ Mika. Like, bisan og dili na siya competition, but the competitiveness should still
Still be
be
there.
there para atong performances kay worthy siya, no? Like, worth seeing, worth hearing, na mas mapalanog pa ang mga panawagan nga wala gihapon madungog sa naa sa taas, DJ Mika, no? So, that is what's Escolaro and Cookout. Like, very excited. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, DJ Mika, how excited are you?
Hindi lang ako magpapalimit sa scale mo, Sai. I am 100% excited sa mga ganap sa Cookout at sa Escolaro. How about you, DJ Sai? How excited are you?
Kung 100% ka DJ Mika, I am 101%. Because dapat kita as an eskolar ng bayan, dili lang ta mugupod sa lingaw, kung dili mugupod ta sa mga butang nga makapaayo sa ato ang kalibutan. And this cookout is not just an event, dili lang ni siya basta-basta ta magluto para ma-expose ang sakto, kundi ma-utilize nato ang ato ang mga knowledge nga nahibaw-an nga dapat matong ma-share po sa uban.
That's true, DJ Sai. So, it isn't just a culmination where we all get to enjoy and have fun. It also really reminds us of our calling and our missions as Escolares ng Bayan.
Yes, speaking of mission, DJ Mika, no? So, bago lang, like, I think 2 days ago, like, officially na nga na-announce sa UP Cebu community ang Bahaghari UP Cebu.
That's so exciting, DJ Sai. What is Bahaghari UP Cebu?
No, so based diri sa ilahang giingon, DJ Mika, ito ay isang pambansa demokratikong organisasyon ng mga militante at makabayang LGBTQ+ na lumalaban hindi lang para sa representasyon kundi para sa tunay na pagbabago sa lipunan, DJ Mika. So this is a tool, or this could fuel our run, no, our campaign towards a better Philippines, DJ
Wow,
Mika.
that's true, DJ Sai. It's actually so exciting na in the middle of all the ongoing organization events, may isa pang pasabog na org na sumali, and I'm actually really looking forward to getting to talk to their members, DJ Sai.
Exactly.
So, aabangan talaga natin yan dito sa Reorganize.
Exactly, no? And I think on cookout makita na to first ang ilahang impact diri sa ato ang community alongside other organizations.
Wow, that is so exciting, DJ Sai. So, marami na ngang nangyari. Mas marami pa tayong aabangan for the events that we have for the next few months, DJ Sai.
Exactly.
So yes, there is so much to look forward to with everything going on. It should be, nandito pa din dapat yung excitement natin as so much is happening around us, DJ Sai. And we really got to discuss so much na dyan, DJ Sai. Nag-yap na tayo ng yap dito. Which one of those events are you most excited for, DJ Sai?
Well, personally, DJ, no, I'm excited the most para sa Eskolaro and Cookout because it's my first time experiencing that collaborative event here in the UP Cebu community. How about you, DJ Mika? What's the event that like nakapaspark sa mong curiosity the most?
For me, nakaka-spark ng curiosity at nakaka-super duper excite yung pag-defend namin ng trono namin sa College of Science wherein we will defend our crown sa Eskolaro, DJ Sai. So super naglo-look forward ako na, kami pa din.
Kayo pa rin ba talaga, DJ Mika?
Makikita mo yan, DJ Sai, kasi kami pa rin talaga.
Maghanda na kayo.
Maghanda na daw tayo, College of Sai.
Go School of Management. So, DJ Mika, no, again, that's how rich now for the Escolar ng Bayan. We have so much from UHO to 1081, to Pasko sa UP, to Mindworks, MC Week, Comsci Week, now the,
Asog Bohol.
yes, and the upcoming events. There's still more actually. So stay tuned mga Escolar ng Bayan. Prepare well because ma-exert or ma-extend gid ato ang force ani towards our limit.
That's true, DJ Sai. So we will be really reaching our limits throughout all of these upcoming events. And not only that, may ibabalance pa tayo na ACADS. But I firmly believe na kayang-kaya to ng mga fellow Escolars natin dahil laban lang tayo, best. Laban lang.
Exactly, that's the spirit, DJ Mika.
So, indeed, there is so much to look forward to and so much to remember and like have fond memories about. So really being an Escolar is really making this experience so much more exciting for all of us. So much has happened na DJ Sai. And I really look forward to all those events and I hope our viewers are excited as well.
Yeah.
So to wrap that all up, this has been DJ Mika.
And this is DJ Sai, and you've been listening to Reorganize.
Don't forget to follow our social media accounts DYUP Sugbo on Facebook and DYUP Sugbo _UPC on Instagram, X, and TikTok.
Tune in only here at DYUP Sugbo every Wednesday from 1 to 2 in the afternoon. Catch this episode only in our Spotify account.
Stay connected, stay engaged, stay
reorganized. This was Reorganize, your go-to program that explores the vibrant world of student organizations here at UP Cebu. Until our next exploration, stay connected, stay engaged, stay reorganized.